Hi, I'm Noelle Co-Star here with Knowellness.com, and I want to just welcome you guys into my home. I know a lot of you have bought sage and such, and what the heck do you do with it after you get it? So I'm just going to go through how to cleanse myself, how I do that, and what I do in my house to cleanse the space here. You can use a variety of different types of sages. A lot of people use white sage. This is probably the most popular. And you can also get different kinds of sage. Like this is a bundle of frankincense and myrrh. I also have a loose sage here, which is fun to light and waft with a feather. And then I also love Palo Santo, as you can see, because it's teeny, because I've used it to the brim. So, what's the most important thing is your intention, okay? So I personally believe saying your intention out loud as you do it really creates a much powerful energy than saying it in your head. But I know if you're afraid to say this kind of stuff out loud, just because you're not comfortable with it or you find it embarrassing, say it in your head and get more and more comfortable with whispering it, and then start really speaking it out loud and engaging with it, because you're going to notice as you experiment with that how much different you experience the energy. So I light my sage. What's next? You want to sage it off, sage it off. Oh. So you just go around your body, and my intention is to shed any and all energy, lower vibrational form that has clung onto me in any way. I'm cleansing my energy field, and I'm going all around my arms, around my body. I especially make sure that I do my heart chakra, my crown, and my throat. So, yeah, you want to make sure that you have some windows open when you're saging. This stuff needs a place to escape from. So as you're going around your house, make sure that you have your windows and your doors open so that the smoke has somewhere to go. Now, some people can't stand the smell of sage smoke, so that's why I would encourage you, use incense or pick Palo Santo. Don't let that be your reason to not cleanse your space. Now, you can also, for a quick cleanse on your crystals, just pick them up and you can do the same thing with your crystals. Your intention is what matters. So here we go. We're just going to go around my house, and you're wafting the smoke, making sure that you're getting up into the space. Don't forget to open the doors. So now here we are in a room. So maybe you have a sacred space or a room that you really want to say those intentions out loud. So for me, this is what I do to set the space. I start wafting the smoke, making sure that you're getting it clear up into the corners. And then I invite God. God, thank you so much for filling me and this space with the pure white light of your love. Thank you for cleansing out of this space any lower vibrations of fear, doubt, worry, anger, anxiety. I ask that only higher vibrational energy live in this space. And it's really as simple as that. And then you feel amazing. So if you like this video, take a second, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or better yet, go over onto Knowellness.com and sign up for my newsletter so you can stay in the know every month with these tutorials and free tarot insights.